Right, here's today's top tip. But this is what I'll do with the tips. I'll counter them, right? Before I go any further, look in the bin there. I've got it written out, and it's to Ian Lauren at Lock Fencing and all the guys there. Get again another fencer. These fencers keep sending me, and I'll give you a mention. We'll all work together, eh? For the mighty WSH. Anyway, never mind that. I'll show you a wee tip. We've hammered this in with the post drive at the back. It's in approximately 2 feet in the ground. Now, if you look here, you'll see on the level, I call this St. Louis, by the way. My spirit level's called St. Louis. You see how the bubbles look out, right? So what you do, a wee tip, get a brick, get it at the back of it, right? See that there? Right? Get a wedge or 2 wedges, depending, right? Move that like that, right? Right? It maybe no need hammered ever, but it does. You see how it's still no spot on? Get your heated pinch. Heated pinch. This is a heated pinch. Sometimes this could be a heated pinch in many years gone by. It's hard enough at times. And you go like that. Now obviously that one is not enough. So what you do is, you get your iron in there, right? There you go, right? Now, watch this. What, right? We've went too far now. So what you do is, you've achieved the object of your operation. You take it out, you put it back in, and there you go. Now just too late there, but I'm not happy with that. So I'll still want it to be tight. Right? So that's it solid for concrete. And I'm happy with that. So there you go. Yet again, top tips. And clutch here, whatever he's in the background there, he's sat on back to front. So see you all later, folks, and keep following all you other fencers. Keep sending me messages and I'll give you a shout out. It's no problem whatsoever. Cheerio!